Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to be doing a math lesson with numbers 1 through 5. So we are going to try to figure out what other number we can get to make 5. I'll probably do numbers 1 through 10 tomorrow, but I'm going to start it out a little low today. First, let's talk about the date. Today is Wednesday, April the 8th. 2020. And what I want you to do is talk about or think about what day of the week it was yesterday. So if today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. Well, if today's Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Thursday. Now, remember what order I have this in. We have our month right here. Our month is April. A-P-R-I-L, April. Our day is the 8th. And our year is 2020. Now, we had our essential question yesterday, which was, what is the weather like today? And a lot of you posted, and I'm super happy about it. The weather was kind of cloudy, everyone said. And someone said maybe the sun peeked out a little bit, but I loved all your answers. Thank you so much. Well, today's essential question is, what is your favorite animal? And I want you to tell me your favorite animal. I think my favorite animal is probably a cat. It's kind of hard to choose, though, because I like dogs, too, and I have a cat and dog. But if I had to choose, my favorite animal would be a cat. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I've made this chart right here. And in the boxes, we are going to try to figure out what numbers go in the empty boxes. We have numbers on the side right here, 3, 4, 5, and 2. And then our answer will be 5. So we know that if we add two numbers together and it's bigger than 5, then that's probably wrong. So we're going to have to try to figure it out again. So I'm going to show you a way that I would try to figure out what number goes in the empty boxes, okay? So what I would do is I would use some cubes, just like I did yesterday. I used some cubes, and we figured out, or we counted our cubes and saw how many cubes we had together. Well, we already know that we need 5 cubes, so let's count and see if we have 5 cubes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So do we have 5 cubes? No. So what do we need to do with the cubes to make 5? We need to take 1 cube away, and that makes 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's spread them out a little bit. And what I would do is start with the very first one. 3 plus equals 5. Okay, so if I have a 3 right here, I would get 3 cubes and put it on top of my 3. 1, 2, 3. And if you don't have cubes, what I would do is put 3 dots right here. 1, 2, 3. So that means I know I have 3 right there, and it's going to be easier to count if I have something to count with. So maybe dots, or if you have cereal around, you can use some cereal. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And I'm only going to be doing the first one with you. The others, I want you to try to figure out all by yourself. So either write them on a piece of paper at home, or you can, if you have a whiteboard, you can use a whiteboard. And I want you to figure out what numbers go in the boxes. But first, let's go back to this one. 3 plus, and that means we're adding together, so it's going to be all together, plus what equals 5. So what I would do next is I would see how many cubes I have left. So we know we started with 5 cubes and only 5 cubes. And if we took 3 away, how many cubes do we have left? 2. So 1 and 2. So that means I know that 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5. So I know I can put my number in this box. Whoa, it's a little shaky. And I can double check myself. So if I have 2 right here, I can put 2 dots and just make sure 1, 2, 3, count my dots, 4, 5. Yep, that equals 5. Good job. All right, so what I want you to do is write down these 3 problems. 4 plus blank equals 5. 5 plus blank equals 5. And 2 plus blank equals 5. Write those down, and I want you to try to figure out what those empty boxes are. And I also found a page in your math book that I handed everyone out, and it explains some of the math problems too, and it's 5.3, and it's on page 85. So this will help you do some of the stuff too. So after you get done with this, you can do this if you would like, and let me know how everything goes. All right, class, I miss you, and I love all of you, and I can't wait to see your faces tomorrow, and I'll go over how to do the whole video thing very soon. Bye.